Prop traders don't just need profits, they need to survive strict rules, because one emotional day can permanently kill a funded account. Imagine juggling 3 different prop firm challenges at once. Just tracking your total profit across these platforms is a recipe for disaster. You have to know your exact distance to the fail line on every single trade. That's where TradeZella steps in. It pulls all your challenges into one consolidated dashboard called Prop Firm Sync. Watch what happens to the absolute maximum capital the firm lets you lose in a single session, your daily loss limit. The progress bar automatically updates and flashes a bright red warning before a violation happens. It also tracks the total allowed loss before they terminate your account entirely, your maximum drawdown. But here is the secret. It links that shrinking buffer directly to your emotional tax. Tagging mistakes like revenge trading is the only way to catch the exact psychological triggers causing those massive losses. Then use trade replay and backtesting to review those near-breach setups tick by tick and build safer playbooks. With that safety net tracking every single move, our trader keeps all 3 accounts fully funded and passes the evaluations. Get 20% off TradeZella through my link today.